Good morning, this is Jennifer. Welcome back again. So ngayong umaga, I will share with you 3 ways to make a crumble. So this is our favorite crumble, guys, that I use in our apple crumble. So these are the 3 ways to make my crumble. From melted butter, just mix it with cubes butter, and we are going to mix it in our standing mixer. Well, these are the ingredients we have here. Is flour, we have brown sugar, we have butter, and a nutmeg. So it's just only 4 ingredients to my crumble. In this first crumble that I'm going to share with you, we are going to use a melted butter. In this one, we are going to use a butter, and we are going to just cut it into cubes and mix it to our flour. And to this side, we are going to cut our butter, and we use our stand mixer to mix all together. So these are the 3 ways to make my crumble. Let's do it. So for my crumble, guys, I only have 4 ingredients, and we are going to use 2 cups to this. So this is the first crumble that I will show you. We are going to mix this with a melted butter. Okay, to this one here, we are going to use 2 cups. This is the base, 2 cups of flour. Okay, 2 cups of flour. And to this side, guys, we are going to just use a cubes butter and just mix it. That's it. This second one is a very simple one, and it's like a pulveron. Pulveron, I love pulveron, you know. So in this third crumble here, we are going to mix this crumble and this crumble. We are going to mix our flour and all the ingredients, all the 4 ingredients, to our mixer. So this is the third crumble, that's my favorite too. All of these 3 have 2 cups of flour. So now we are going to add our sugar. So 2 cups of flour plus 1 cup of sugar. Two cups of flour and 1 cup of brown sugar. So it's up to you, guys. If you want white sugar, go ahead. If you like to use a palm sugar, there's a palm sugar too, go ahead. Or if you would like the stevia, because stevia has a sugar that is not in the smoke sachet, you can use that too. So these are the 2 ingredients that we added here: flour, sugar, and flour sugar. And then we are going to add our nutmeg. It's just a 2 of the nutmeg, because nutmeg is very, very strong. Well, for me it's very strong though. So that's all we need. And then now we're going to mix it with our butter. So this one, guys, we're going to mix this with our melted butter, just a cube of butter here, and this one here we are going to use a mixer to mix all the ingredients. So that's all for my crumble, and let's do it. So ang gagawin natin dito ay i-ano natin siya, i-mix natin, nalagyan na natin dyan. So i-mix natin ito siya. Just half cup of butter, and then mixed it. So this crumble, guys, is the usual one that you use at the restaurant and at the store. If you buy apple crumble, this is crumble. You see? This is how you make a crumble. This is the common one. So ito ang mukha ng crumble, mostly na ilagay sa mga ano. You see? Mag-ano talaga siya. Yan. So 2 cups to 1/2 cup of butter. Ayan na si crumble. So that is the crumble, guys. Napaka-easy lang paggawa ng crumble. It's very easy to make a crumble. So this is the crumble. If you melt the batter, this is the result. So ayan siya. And then this one, we are going to slice this. So just slice the butter and mix it with that one with your nutmeg and you're good. It's already a crumble, guys, but the result is a little bit powdery. Para siyang pulburon. So just like that. You just slice it thinly and tiny bit. So for my kids, guys, I used to make this kind. Ang apple crumble namin dito and ang aming pumpkin pie, that is a very, very favorite. Those are the favorite dessert of my kids. This becomes polvoron. Ayan. Sino bang ayaw ng polvoron? You see, this is how I make my crumble, and I just add it on top of my apple. So this makes it an apple crumble. But this batter, guys, it will melt. So this is the magic of just having this, and then when you eat your apple crumble, oh, it's yummy. And this time, you can make it like that big. So this one is only 3 cups and this is a 7 cups blender. So all we have to do is just use a bigger one than the smaller one. So excuse me, smaller one, I will use this big one here. We are going to use the big one instead of the smaller one. Oops, where did it? Okay, so I have here, guys, this is very nice. Okay. I have a little big sister here that is 7 cups, so all we have to do is to use that. So this is the third kind of crumble that I usually make if I make an apple crumble. Wala sa ano. It is very easy. You have to just put it down and take it out. Very easy, guys. So these are the 3 ways how to make your crumble. If you make an apple crumble, then this is your topping and cook it. And it's really yummy, guys. So ito is medyo polvoron siya na mixture. That is our family's favorite. And ito siya na mix talaga sila lahat dahil ginamitan natin siya ng mixer. So, ayan ang mixture niya, ang texture niya. Looking good. So, kung magawa kayo ng whatever pie, if you want your pie with crumble on top, pwede rin siguro. At magawa kayo ng apple crumble. So, this is a really good one. So, that is our second ways how to make our crumble. And ang pinaka-last and pinaka-popular na crumble is this one, mixed with melted butter. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you. So this is how I make my crumble. If I make my apple crumble, guys, this is the 3 kinds or the 3 ways how I make my crumble. Thank you for watching. This is Jennifer. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. So these are the 3 ways that I share with you how I make my crumble. This is Jennifer, and please subscribe, like, and click that notification bell.